Alright, we're here at the True by Hilton, here in York, Pennsylvania. And we got the ThyssenKrupp Endura MRLs to ride. We're going to start by riding car number 2 first. Go up to 4. You're on the 4th floor. Back down to 1. Pretty basic elevators for a True by Hilton property. Floor indicator. Up there's your ThyssenKrupp logo. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Elevator number 2, and you're back at 1. These are your 8 total buttons. And right there is your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2017. We'll go back to the 4 and get a view. That button's blue and this button's white. That button must have been a replacement. Anyways, you're gonna go back up to the 4th floor. Here we're back at 4. We'll send this car down to 1 and ring the bell. It's only got an exterior chime. Or exterior lantern, I should say. Door just reopened. That was strange. Unfortunately, I hate to say this, but these elevators are not that great. We'll call them. Actually, this elevator's actually up here, I think, when we started. Before we ride, let's get a view out this window. Pretty decent view. Over there you see more hotels that's to sleep in the mainstay suites. And over there, where all the cars are at, I don't know if you can see it or not. That road there is Interstate 83. And down there is a connector road and a connector road for the parking lot. Take a look at that guest floor and then go back down the elevator. Actually, just for the heck of it, or this view might be better. And I got a blur. Focus camera. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Had a little camera problem. Anyways, we'll get a view out this window down here, then go down the other elevator. It's an okay view. That road there is US Route 30/Arsenal Road. There's a Days Inn property, and there's the Sleep In Mainstay Suites once again, right there. And that's the main parking lot for this hotel. And there's your main set of steps. I don't think that view down there is worth it, so let's go down to the other elevator, or do a round trip on the other elevator. This hotel is laid out exactly similar to the one up in Denver, off the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Anyways, there's your set of elevators for the hotel. And now we'll try to ride the left elevator. And it's sitting up here waiting for us. And this one's got a rear door. Oh, this one's on their level. Oh, just 2 levels. Down to 1, and 1 door is closed. Look very casually this elevator we're going down. It's just like the other one, except this one has a rear door in the back. Use your 8 toll buttons. Floor indicator. Capacity of this one is 3,000 pounds. Well, hard stop. Elevator 1, ThyssenKrupp logo, and there's your certificate right there. Just like the other one, this elevator was installed in 2017. back to the 4, listen to borrow this one, or at least try to, since there's a fan on this elevator. Back at 4. Then go back down to 1 and end the video. And we're at 1. Yeah, we cannot open the rear door up, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I hate to say this, but these hours are not that great. Anyways, there we go, and that's it.